Are you trying to figure out how to view and filter tasks in teamwork.com? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about managing tasks on Teamwork and how to filter them for better organization. Stick around, because by the end, you'll not only be more efficient with your task management, but I'll also show you how to get this powerful tool completely free with an exclusive bonus, so don't miss out. Once you're logged into your Teamwork dashboard, you'll notice that viewing tasks is pretty straightforward, but filtering them is where the magic happens. To view tasks, go to the Tasks section in your project or workspace. Here, you can see all your tasks in a clean list-style format. You can quickly tell which tasks are active, completed, or overdue just by the visual indicators on each task card. The software makes it really easy to get an at-a-glance view of your team's progress. Now, filtering tasks is essential if you're managing multiple projects or teams. Teamwork gives you multiple ways to organize and filter tasks to get exactly what you need. One way is by using the filter bar at the top of your task list. Here, you can filter tasks by due date, priority, assignee, or even by tags you've set up earlier. For example, if you're looking for all high priority tasks, just click the priority filter and select High. This instantly narrows down your view, showing only those tasks that need immediate attention. Or, if you want to focus on tasks that are assigned to a specific team member, you can simply filter by assignee. This feature is a huge time saver and helps you quickly get organized. Another great feature in Teamwork is the ability to create custom filters. This is particularly useful if you have a project with many tasks and need to see a specific subset of tasks. You can set up a filter for tasks that are not started yet or tasks that are due next week. These custom filters help streamline your workflow and ensure you're always focused on what's most important at the moment. To access these filters, click on the filter button on the top of your task list. You'll see a drop-down menu with all the available filter options. But here's the pro tip. You can save your custom filters so you don't have to manually set them up every time. Just click the Save button after applying your custom settings, and you'll be able to use this filter again in the future with a single click. Another way to organize tasks is by using the view options available in Teamwork. You can switch between different views, such as list view, board view, or even a Gantt chart, depending on what works best for you and your team. The board view is particularly useful if you're managing tasks in a Kanban style, as it lets you visually drag and drop tasks into different stages like to do, in progress, or completed. If you want to take it a step further, you can also set up dependencies between tasks, ensuring that one task doesn't start until another one is completed. This is crucial when you're working with complex projects that require a specific order of operations. And here's where it gets even better. Teamwork allows you to use these filters in combination with project milestones, time tracking, and task comments, which means you can stay on top of your tasks in even more detail. Plus, if you're managing a large team, you can even track workload and time spent on tasks, ensuring no one gets overwhelmed with too many assignments at once. At this point, you may be wondering how to get started with all of this, especially if you're new to the software. Well, here's the good news. You can use teamwork.com completely free through our exclusive link below. That's right. You'll get access to a limited version of the software that gives you full access to all these features without spending a dime. But if you want to unlock even more advanced functionality, we have some amazing bonuses waiting for you as well. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to view and filter tasks in Teamwork, which will help you organize your workflow and stay productive. Remember, Teamwork is a powerful tool that can take your task management to the next level, whether you're managing a small team or a large-scale project. Make sure you don't miss out on that exclusive free trial. Click the first link below to get started today.